Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Okay, let's dive deep into fixing the 502 bad gateway error on Android Chrome in 2024. This is a frustrating error, but understanding its causes and applying systematic troubleshooting steps can usually resolve it. Understanding the 502 bad gateway error. A 502 bad gateway error signifies that the server you're trying to access, the gateway server, often a reverse proxy, load balancer, or CDN endpoint, received an invalid or no response from another server upstream in the process. Essentially, the server you're connecting to thinks another server responsible for handling the request has timed out, crashed, or is unreachable. Why is it happening on your Android Chrome browser? Several factors can contribute to a 502 error when using Chrome on your Android device. Server-side issues. Most common, the problem almost always lies on the server side. The target website or its infrastructure is having temporary issues, undergoing maintenance, or is overloaded. This is outside your direct control. Network connectivity problems. Your device's internet